But first at 6, Arizona reporting the lowest number of coronavirus cases in a single day since June 1st. As some businesses prepare to reopen tomorrow, it's worth remembering what happened earlier this year when the stay-at-home order was first lifted. The rules were abused with little policing of state guidelines, leading to the uncontrollable spread of the virus. But tonight, we're getting new details on how the state plans to crack down on businesses this time around. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg with a new plan the state health department just sent out to try to prevent another surge in our state.
The state health department putting out a press release this afternoon saying that they will enter into contracts with local county health departments to not only investigate complaints, but enforce compliance. Less than 24 hours before businesses in 3 counties in Arizona can start to reopen, state officials putting out new protocols and procedures. Health officials just announcing a public forum for anyone to report businesses not complying with strict guidelines. Come tomorrow, Maricopa, Pinal, and Pima counties will be in the moderate category in yellow. That will allow gyms, movie theaters, water parks, bars, and nightclubs with food permits to reopen with reduced capacity.
The best thing I can say right now is that overall the numbers are looking encouraging.
ASU's Biodesign Institute tracks the data in Arizona and calls current virus numbers and trends encouraging. When asked if it's too dangerous to reopen businesses, universities, and grade schools all at the same time, we got this response.
But we always have to remember that the virus is out there, it's spread widely through the community, and that if we misstep, if we don't continue to follow the practices that we know work, it will come back.
The state health department plans to send out inspectors to businesses following any complaints. That did not happen in June, except for the few gatherings at bars and gyms that got media attention, even though there was some tough talk.
But we've been in the unhappy but responsible business of breaking up large gatherings of adults.
That was Governor Doug Ducey 2 weeks ago talking about breaking up large gatherings. The governor sat in on a presentation with U of A today on quantum technologies, but no opportunity to ask the governor questions about the new protocols for enforcement.
We're going to use the enforcement mechanisms available to do that.
Dr. Andrew Carroll says hospitals are improving just like the case counts, but he worries about no mandates if there's an outbreak inside businesses.
If we know that a place has had a surge event or a cluster or a super spreader event, there's no rules in place to close them down.
The state is asking for the public's help to do their part to report these businesses who are not in compliance. Along with a website, there will be a phone number and other ways to report. In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.